That should be much smoother. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Panda here. We are in Japantown. And I came here for one thing. Now I want many things. I came here for sake, but yes, I came here for sake. I think I deserve the sake. So we are celebrating. We leave in San Francisco. Yay! But I wanted to show who asked. I think it was Tony that asked. He wanted to see the Dragon Ball stuff here. So I think it was someone from the YouTube channel. Alright. So there's the Dragon Ball stuff. The Super Saiyan Goku 3 over there. Where's my boy Vegeta? See? Hiding it again in the cut. No, someone picked it up. I think so. Someone. Yeah, those pieces are $30. The smaller pieces like between $8 and $10. The small nutshell is about $9. Gohan is at $9. Pan is $8. Yeah. Definitely go check it out. But what we wanted. Oh. Sell it out, I see. Okay. We are hiring part-time sales associate. Ooh. What's up, Egg? Guys. Yama-chan. Gotta go get the alcohol. Look, just look. Oh yeah, technique. Look at that technique. Oh yeah. Doesn't that make you want to have sex with food? So there are many things here to eat and buy. I'm glad to see more people here. And oh, by the way, they also have okonomiyaki. All right, but we came from sake. We came for the sake. We're going back this way. But just want to show you, if you ever come to Japantown, come eat here. Very good and delicious. Yum, yum, yum. They don't have this one doesn't have a vegetarian or vegan option, but still hella good. Oh, look at that. He's open. What? Oh, you want a Kill Bill experience? There you go. He's probably not ready yet either. No, he's not. Oh, wow. Yeah, guys, that's like the Kill Bill experience right there. Like, you want fine, good sashimi slices. Oh, the best tuna, the best sushi that you can get. Yeah. All right. We came here for sake. God, this is why I was telling my friend earlier, this is why he wanted me to buy not the stupid brand, but the brand called Momo. I'm like, no, there has to be product from Japan. No. I don't want something from Oregon, Portland. So, this is one place they have like good sake options. This is why I wanted to come to this area of the mall. See, everything is from Japan. Just FYI. American brands are good, but gotta support. Hard work. Okay, we got one spot. Ooh. Look at all the beer options. Oh wow, look at that. Look at all those sakes. Soju. Oh, whoa. Yang yang. Taking my ticket. Taking my button. Okay. We came here for that, but we want to go to the market. Yeah, it's not sad. It's a celebration that I'm leaving. It's a celebration. Everyone get naked. Get naked and have a good time. It's Friday too, so everything's coming to plan. See, a little bit of patience. Everything will come through it. Just the right amount of timing counts. Alright. So, with that said, everyone, wanted to show you Japantown one last moment before I leave. Oh, poor. Oh. Oh, we gotta go in here. Oh. Alright. Oh, first let's go around. Let me show you Osaka Castle. Look at that. Boom. Keep calm and mask on. Look at that. Bang. Get a good snapshot. Boom. Japantown. Alright. Seems like everything's open, which is great. Oh, anyway. So, last time I came here, I got Lord Brian does Matas slippers. But I saw something that I wanted. What was it in this window? It wasn't a mat. Ah, it was the umbrella. That's what I wanted. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted. Konnichiwa. Yo, oh, there it is. We came here for this. I saw it in the window when you closed one day. We're gonna grab this new umbrella. See how quiet and peaceful and quiet it is in here? Oh, look at all that good stuff. Got a sign, guys.
Hi. Hello. Could you use sanitizer to come in?
Pardon? I can't hear you.
Could you use sanitizer to come in? Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Sanitizer.
Doesn't go through.
Try swiping it instead?
I will.
Okay. Yeah, I think I messed up that chip on that card. This is a good thing. That's why we're going back to Wisconsin. Oh, there you go.
I just sanitize. はい、どうぞ。
ありがとう。
日本語上手ね。
Come on, guys. Got one hand. Gotta put you guys down for a second.
これストアレシートとクレジットカードレシートね。はい、どうもありがとうございます。
ありがとう。Monday. All right. Ooh, that was fun. All right. We got what we wanted. We got a new umbrella. Yay. But a good one. Because we're going to use it to bash people over the head in San Francisco. That's the main reason why I want it. Now mess with me. Oh, there's another one here, guys. If you want the classics, the Mass Effect, or the classic, the One Piece. Yeah, even the Son Goku back in the day. Look at that one. Ooh, that's a rarity. You guys should see me now. Oh wow, I should turn this camera around. Watch this. Just see me now. Look at my, mess with me now, San Francisco. I just brought something that I'm gonna toy with you now. My sword. Oh well. That was fun. Alright. Next up, let's see. The market. We want sake. Goodbye, tenderloin. I know. Get riddance, tenderloin. Sayonara, sucker. No, dude, that place, every time I go in that place, my skin itches. It's terrible. Yeah, my skin itches when I go in that place. Oh, it's a line for the market. Holy moly. Oh. Panda can come back a little later when there's no line. I know what time there is no line. Between like 4 and 5, the line dies. Yeah. But I just wanted to share that experience with you guys. That was kind of fun. Yeah. That's what other here. What? I see the glow in your face. Yes, you see the glow. It's the glow. I have the glow. What's that movie again? What was the movie again? The Last Dragon. What was it? The Last Dragon? What was the movie with the? What's the title of that movie? He catch bullets with his teeth. What was that one? That was kind of comical. I kind of like watching that because it was funny to me, and I was like, yeah, that won't happen. But yeah, like I get it. It's like trying to get. This is why I'm saying this to you Black African American people of color. Back in the day, we all were all about the Chinese. We were all about Asian culture. And now we want to hurt them? I don't understand that. What's up with that? Remember that, guys? We used to go, back in the days in the 80s, go to the theater, make some ruckus, put on a kung fu flick or a Japanese samurai flick. Remember those back in the day? Come on. You got to. Last Dragon, yes. I don't understand now why everyone wants to do stupid shit. Fucking idiots. Yeah. Guess what? I'm gonna be patrolling the neighborhood tonight. I'm gonna. Samurai Panda's back. No, I'm kidding. Nope. Panda's gonna be taking a long bath. And he's gonna play Apex. Tonight I'm gonna play Apex because I haven't played Season 8. And Season 8 has been out for about, 3 weeks? 4 weeks now? I'm way behind. I need to play rank fast. And I was thinking about playing rank for the entire Sunday for 24 hours so I can rank up at least to Diamond. So, yeah, because I'm far behind in that game. And, guys, I'm competitive in that game. And some online players asked me to play with them in team. So, good notes. Hey, we have to love everybody. Even if we might dislike them, we have to love them. But at least when you kick their ass, you're loving it when you're doing it. See, that is showing love. Because you're trying to teach that boy or that woman a lesson. Whoever that may be. Just putting that out there. It's... Alright, guys. Gotta go. See ya.